Dance and I started a band with our friends Marisol the Mermaid and Rosa the Dolphin. It's called Todos Juntos.
That means all together.
Today we're gonna play a big show at the Great Coral School.
Sounds like our audience of babies is very excited for the show.
Okay, todos juntos. It's showtime. Uh-oh. That sounds like Octo-Swiper.
Octo-Swiper! Bet you'd never heard an octo jam like this. La 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 la!
No! Octo-Swiper's music is scaring the baby animals away.
Octo-Man!
Catch them! Yay!
My sweet bongos! Now we can play our show.
Huh? No one's here.
We can't play a show without an audience.
Don't worry, Rosa. We can find them and bring them back. Baby dolphin, bebé delfín, and baby seahorse, bebé caballito de mar. Will you help us find the baby sea animals? Excelente! All together.
Todos juntos!
First, we need to find baby dolphin. If you see him, say bebé delfín.
Yeah! There's baby dolphin! But he doesn't see us.
We need your help. Let's clap together to get baby dolphin's attention. Ready? Clap, clap, aplaude.
It's working! We got his attention! Keep clapping so baby dolphin swims over to us!
Clap, clap, aplaude. Fantastic.
Yay! Muy bien! Woohoo! Head back to the school now, baby dolphin. We'll be there soon to play our show.
Only baby seahorse is left to find. If you see him, say bebé caballito de mar.
Yeah! Baby seahorse just swam into that cave. Aw, he must be scared. Why don't we just ask baby seahorse to come out? But we don't speak seahorse. We don't need to speak seahorse. We just need to dance! Bailar!
Dance?
Yup, seahorses dance to communicate with each other. And they can even change colors when they do. Yay! Then let's dance! I'll play a beat with my bongos.
We need your help. When you hear the music, dance any way you want to. Ready? Baila! Dance, dance, dance! It's working! Bebé caballito de mar is starting to come out of the cave. Keep dancing. Baila! Dance, dance, dance!
Whee! Baby seahorse came out of the coral cave.
Let's take him back to school and then we can play our show.
It's showtime! Can't wait to play my bongos again. Oh no! The Octo-Swiper's back!
Ooh, those bongos are really bouncy.
He wants to swipe my bongos!
To stop Octo-Swiper, hold out your hand and say, Octo-Swiper no swiping. Octo-Swiper no swiping. Octo-Swiper no swiping. Octo-Swiper no swiping.
Octo-Man! Whoa!
We stopped Octo-Swiper thanks to your help. And just in time for our show. Are you ready to rock out, amigos?
Todos juntos!
The sound of a wave as it crashes on the shore. The cute little clicks from un caballito de mar.
A seahorse!
Can you hear all of the sounds of the sea? Escucha, it's speaking and we're listening. Every splash is a bubbly symphony. La escucha, all the wonderful
Produced by Nickelodeon Podcasts. Available here and anywhere you find your podcasts.